Warren Buffett's #1 rule for investing. Most people lose money in the stock market because they ignore the one rule that literally made Warren Buffett over $100 billion. And the crazy part? It's not about timing the market. It's not about picking winning stocks. It's something way simpler that anyone can do starting today. Hey, I'm breaking down Buffett's #1 investing rule so you can actually build real wealth like he did. If you're serious about your financial future, you're going to want to watch this entire video. Let's go. Part 1. The rule nobody follows. Warren Buffett has said it 100 times in different ways. But his golden rule comes down to this. Invest for the long term and never sell. That's it. The majority of investors completely ignore this, and it costs them hundreds of thousands of dollars over their lifetime. Here's what happens. Someone opens a Robinhood account. They see their money sitting there. A stock goes up 3% and they think they're geniuses. Then it drops 5% and they panic, sell at a loss. They check their portfolio every single day. Some people check it every single hour. This constant checking destroys your psychology and kills your returns. Buffett doesn't check his portfolio like that. He buys companies and holds them for decades. Literally decades. He bought Apple stock and just let it sit. He bought Coca-Cola in 1983 and still owns it today. That's over 40 years of compounding. 40 years. Most people can't commit to anything for 40 weeks. Let alone 40 years. The rule is simple. Pick solid investments and hold them. Don't touch them. Don't panic sell. Don't try to time the market. Just hold. Part 2. Why this actually works. Let me show you real numbers that prove why this rule creates wealth. Let's say you're 25 years old and you invest $5,000 into an S&P 500 index fund through your Roth IRA. The S&P 500 averages about 10% annual returns over long periods. That $5,000 grows to $39,000 in 30 years. But here's where it gets crazy. If you keep adding just $200 every single month to that same account, you're looking at over $1.2 million by age 55. That's the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. And Buffett figured out that most people sabotage their compounding by selling too early or panic trading when things get rough. Let me show you what happens when you break the rule. Same scenario, but you sell your positions every time the market drops 10%. You lock in losses. You miss the recovery. The market dropped 27% in 2022 but came roaring back in 2023. If you sold in 2022, you missed those gains. That's the rule breaker penalty. The people who got rich didn't do it by making brilliant picks every single day. They did it by buying solid stuff and literally forgetting about it. They got married, had kids, changed jobs, moved houses, built careers, and their investments just kept compounding in the background. Part 3. How to apply this starting today. If you want to use Buffett's rule right now, here's exactly what to do. First, open a Roth IRA if you don't have one. Fidelity and Vanguard make this stupid easy. Second, put most of your money in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. That's literally what Buffett recommends for regular people. Third, set up automatic monthly contributions. $200, $500, $1,000, whatever you can afford. Automate it so you don't have to think about it. Fourth, delete the apps from your phone if you're the type who checks constantly. Seriously. Uninstall Robinhood. Uninstall your brokerage app. Check your portfolio maybe twice a year. Fifth, ignore the financial media. They profit from your panic. Every market dip is presented like the world is ending. It's not. The market has recovered from every single crash in history. Every single one. That's your edge. While everyone else is panicking and selling, you're just holding and buying the dip. If you're 25 and you follow this rule until 65, you will have multi-millions of dollars. That's not theory. That's math. That's what Buffett did. That's what every wealthy long-term investor did. The rule is boring. It's not sexy. There's no gamification. But it works. It has worked for decades. It will work for you. Call to action. If you're ready to actually build wealth instead of chase quick wins, hit that subscribe button. We drop money videos every single week. Thanks for watching.